Namaste. Welcome to the Bharatiya Defense Reporter. The army has apprehended 3 terrorists during a search operation in Kupwara district of Jammu and Kashmir. Officials said on Tuesday a joint search operation was launched by the security forces on the inputs of Jammu and Kashmir police in Lalpora area of Kupwara on Monday. The official also said the 3 terrorists were apprehended and some arms and ammunition was recovered during the operation. The arms recovered were 1 AK-47 assault rifle, 2 pistols and some ammunition was also recovered. And still the operation is in progress. Bharat is now finally getting set to issue the formal tender for the long pending over Rs 42,000 crore project to make 6 new generation self-submarines domestically with the foreign collaboration. Defense Ministry sources on Monday said that the tender or RFP should be issued by next month to Defense Shipyard Mazagon Docks Limited and private shipbuilder Larsen & Toubro for the submarine program called Project 75I. It will be the first project to be launched under the strategic partnership policy. It is to boost indigenous production under the overall Make in India platform. The submarine or the other SP project will not be impacted by the negative arms import list issued by the MOD on Sunday. The 2 Indian shipyards or SP will have to submit their technical and commercial bids in response to the RFP after they tie up with their preferred original equipment manufacturer from the 5 shortlisted by the MOD earlier. The 5 earlier OEMs are Rubin Design Bureau Russia, Naval Group DCNS France, ThyssenKrupp Marine System Germany, Navantia Spain and Daewoo from South Korea. According to the information provided, Bharat and Israel might have another go at integration process of Python 5 close combat missile on board the LCA Tejas Mark 1A fighter jets after it failed to clear captive trials on board LCA Tejas due to excessive vibration recorded at certain flight regimes, apparently due to big control surfaces in the front section of the Python CCM, which interfered with airflow, thus creating flutter issues, and later ADA and IAF asked Rafael Advanced Defense Systems, which is the manufacturer of missile system, to step in to identify and fix the issue. Rafael Advanced Defense Systems conducted a simulated flight regime of Python 5 CCM on board LCA Tejas to identify and fix the issue, and some captive flights have been carried out recently with some changes to the AAM pylons and the positioning of the missiles itself. We have been told that if captive flight evaluation test records come good, then it might be cleared to be test fired from the aircraft sometime in the coming months. Mr. Oli is destroying the ties between Bharat and Nepal. First, he claimed that Lord Ram was a Nepali and the Ayodhya in Uttar Pradesh is a fake one. And now he's saying that Lord Buddha was never ever enlightened in Gaya, Bihar. His statement came after the S. J. Shankar statement, in which he said that India is imagined and the two most greatest Indians are Gautam Buddha and Mahatma Gandhi. Mr. Oli is just destroying the Bharat and Nepal ties on the tips of Chinese regime. The 5 new Rafale Omni role fighter jets are now undertaking day and night practice sorties in different terrains, including the mountainous ones in the Himachal Pradesh, ahead of their formal induction ceremony at Ambala Air Base towards the end of this month. Sources said the 5 Rafales, which will take a couple of months to become fully operational after having touched down at Ambala on July 29, are likely to carry out similar training sorties in Ladakh in the near future. The twin-engine fighters, however, can be combat deployed if required in an emergency during the ongoing military confrontation with China. There has been no breakthrough as yet in the stalled troop engagement in Pyeongso and Gogra areas of eastern Ladakh, while the deadlock over the rival military buildups also persists in the strategically located Depsang Plains, and despite the several rounds of military and diplomatic talks between India and China, nothing has come out. Please like and subscribe to our channel.